Hi, my name's Andrew Kinney. I'm a Social Security disability attorney at Hoglund Law Offices out of New Brighton, Minnesota. I do work across the country. I help about roughly 500 people a year at this point. I started doing this work in 1992. Today, I wanted to talk about how much medical treatment should you get when you are having a pending Social Security disability claim. Of course, every medical issue is different. The important thing that we talk to clients about early on is that if you are applying for Social Security disability benefits or SSI, both have the same medical standard, you need to keep treating with doctors. I phrase it this way: keep trying to get better and going to the doctors and specialists that you need to. So let's say that if you have depression, you can treat with a primary care physician. They may prescribe medications. Perhaps that's the available treatment. Well, that's good. It's good to treat with someone. But ideally, if you can, for instance, with mental health issues like depression, it's good to add therapy for that. And I also recommend that people consider a licensed psychologist if possible to treat. It may be a long waiting list to be able to see one, but the goal is that you're trying to get better and you're talking to providers, experts that will document and identify not only what's wrong, but how severe it is. I'll give another example. If a person has a low back issue and you have an x-ray, maybe from an ER, if that's all you have, it's hard to prove that the low back issue from that sort of evidence is enough that you would not be able to do any sort of full-time work. For instance, sitting down too. Uh, what I what we consider when someone calls our office or is going to apply for benefits is do they have medical insurance? Are they planning to see specialists, for instance, a spine specialist for an MRI, and in the instance of low back problems, how developed is the evidence? What are the diagnoses? What sort of treatment has the person had? Social Security will evaluate this, and it makes sense. Social Security disability and SSI claims are based on medical evidence, not what you're saying is wrong, but what doctors confirm is wrong through testing and through examinations. So the main idea here is if you are having medical issues that keep you from working full time and you plan to argue for Social Security disability or SSI benefits, make sure to keep treating with doctors. The goal would be if you apply for Social Security benefits and treat with the right doctors that you get better and perhaps your problems didn't last a full year and you don't have to maintain your claim. That would be ideal. If you have any other questions about what sort of treatment that you should get, because in the end, this is about evidence from the lawyer side, feel free to call our offices. Thank you. Good luck.